everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel for those of you who are returning, and for those of you who are new, welcome. Glad you could join me here. Welcome to update number 5 of my half marathon journey, and we will be covering weeks 8 and 9 today. If you haven't seen my previous updates and would like to catch up, I will link the playlist in the description below as well as in the corner right there. So for now, let's get on going to week 8.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought it's like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something special about you. Got me under lock and key, but I don't wanna be free when I'm next to you. You're like honey to a bee, I go crazy for the sweet when I'm next to you, girl.
It's nice and drizzly this morning.
For you, for you. It might seem that I'm dumb, but it's you that's got me stunned. Stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something special about you. You got it down, shake my ground, and I can't get enough, got me spellbound. And every day.
Alright, happy Friday. Just did a simple cross training today and working on a video shoot again. It'll be a fun day.
The only one to see, got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something special about you. You got it down, shake my ground, and I can't get enough, got me spellbound.
Good morning. Happy Saturday. Sun is out today. Still a little bit cool out, which is great before it gets too hot. It's supposed to be about 90 degrees today. But yeah, we are going to go up for 9 miles. Here we go.
That I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only
I always bring a little baggie for my trash.
taken by your gravity? And I just know you got that something special about you.
Alright, week 8 is now completed. Quick recap of the weekday runs. We had 2 4.5 miles, one of which was 4.7, and a 3 mile in between. This week's long run took us all the way up to 9 miles, which is the furthest I've gone since starting to run again. The first half was pretty well, going uphill again, same route as the week before. And on the way back for the second half, I decided to slow my pace down just a little bit because the heat started to get a little bit more intense and I didn't want to overexert myself and get heat exhaustion at the same time. I did get some new running shoes earlier in the week, so I am retiring these guys. These are the Brooks Adrenaline GTS. I wore these ones for my 2020 LA Marathon and they've done me pretty well. As you can tell, these have some good mileage on them, as you've seen in my previous updates. So now they'll just be my walking shoes or just my random everyday set shoe. And they work pretty well. For my feet, I do need supports in them because I have flat feet and overpronate when I run, so my ankles tend to go inward. My new pair, I decided to go for the A6 Gel Cayanos. They also have a support shoe as well. And yeah, these are just a week old, still breaking them in and have done me pretty well. And I'll probably be walking around them just to break them in just a little more. And looking forward to putting some mileage onto these and wearing these on race day. So they're gonna be pretty good. If you're in the LA area, do visit Arunnerscircle on Los Feliz Boulevard. They specialize in running and they have a great selection of, you know, shoes, clothes, hydrations, pretty much everything you need for your running needs. Staff is really great, very knowledgeable, and will help you get the proper shoes that you need. And they can check on your running gait as well if needed. I like to support local when I can, so I brought my shoes there before and I'll definitely be going back for other needs. I believe they do have community runs as well, 2 days a week. I'll put the link on their website in the description below so you can check out all the information you need on location as well as, you know, other events that they may have. All right, 5 weeks left into training. Let's head on to week 9. It's a holiday weekend, or holiday. Today is Labor Day here in the US, and very quiet out in the city. I love it.
The door is open, I could walk right in. Ooh, but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still. 'Cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah. Feels like I'm stumbling, bring me something right. Feels like I'm stumbling, bring me something right. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now. Right now. Someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now. Right now. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now. Right now.
Good morning. Today's long run, 10 miles.
Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now. Right now. Someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try.
is in the books. The weekday runs this week are pretty much a repeat of week 8, but our long run took us all the way up to 10 miles. Felt pretty alright, especially during the uphill portions. It did get a bit hot during the latter half of the run, especially with 4 miles left into it, so I decided to pull back on my pace just a little bit so that way I'm not overexerting myself and getting any kind of heat exhaustion. Overall, felt pretty good. My legs are doing alright, and my shoes feel much better after walking in them throughout the last week. I much prefer training during the fall, winter, kind of spring seasons, but depending on when the race is scheduled, we'll eventually have to train during the summer. And you'll be proud of me, I did manage to get out a little bit earlier than I normally would. I'm trying to train myself to start running at the same time the race is scheduled to start. So fingers crossed, I'll keep that trend. Like I've said before, I'm not a morning person, so getting out of bed sometimes is pretty much a struggle for me, and I'd much prefer to curl up in bed just a little bit longer. But in the end of it, I get out there, get it done, and I feel much better for it afterwards. Running for me has become pretty much a part of my meditation, so I'm really glad to be able to do it when I can. We've got 4 weeks left into training, and these 4 weeks will go by pretty quick. So with that, we'll call this update here. Thank you so much for joining me on my half marathon journey. I really truly do appreciate you coming back and checking out my progress and coming with me on my adventures. If you do like this video, please do give that thumbs up button a good click and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as you do not want to miss any of my updates, future running races, and adventures that are coming up. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments below. See you guys next time. Take care.